Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, we're going to be talking about 7 habits that can improve your mindset. These habits are simple, but they can have a big impact on your life. So if you're looking for ways to improve your mindset, stick around. So, what are these 7 habits? Habit 1, challenge your limiting belief. What are the things you believe about yourself that hold you back? Are they really true? Challenge these beliefs and see if you can replace them with more positive ones. Habit 2, face your fears. What are you afraid of? Don't let your fears control you. Face them head on and see that they're not as scary as you thought they were. Habit 3, shift your perspective. How do you see the world? Are you always looking for the negative? Try to shift your perspective and see the good in every situation. Habit 4, change your self-talk. What do you say to yourself? Are you always putting yourself down? Change your self-talk to be more positive and encouraging. Habit 5, be grateful. Take some time each day to be grateful for the good things in your life. This will help you focus on the positive and appreciate what you have. Habit 6, practice mindfulness. Mindfulness is the practice of paying attention to the present moment without judgment. This can help you to become more aware of your thoughts and feelings, and to let go of negative emotions. Habit 7, meditate. Meditation is a form of mindfulness that can help you to calm your mind and focus on the present moment. There are many different types of meditation, so find one that works for you. So, those are the 7 habits that can improve your mindset. I hope you found these tips helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos on self-improvement and personal development.